Hey, it's Stefan right here, and you scrolled down probably because you wanted to see the demo video, right? So without further ado, join me on my computer right now and I give you an in-depth video of Member Factory.
Hey, so this is where we are going to log in. Let's use my email right here. There we go, and click on sign in right there. Now you're immediately being redirected to the membership site dashboard, and this is where you can see all the demo sites I've been creating thus far. Right now I got 5 of them. Now even if you just got one website or one membership site or 1,000 membership sites, it doesn't matter, you can find them all right here on this dashboard, and each and every site will lead in with a title, and you can click right here on this arrow right there and you can see and go and preview it. But you will also get some cool snapshots for each and every website right here. For instance, you can see the total sales, total today's sales, total refunds, and see how good your websites or membership sites rather are performing. If you go to the lower left corner, you can see my name, and that's because I'm the current admin of this webpage. But if you're going to add some more admins, they will be visible right here as well. Now, if we click on this arrow, you can see manage site, add member, clone site, and delete site. But for now, we are not going to use that at this moment. I actually want to show you the entire software from start to finish. Now, if I were to explain each and every feature in depth, that would be really, and this video would turn out to be very long. But before I go as fast as I can, I just want to get your attention right here. You got your profile, your billing, and agency version as well. What the agency version is, that's our third upsell, which is the white label license, and they can basically click here and basically run Member Factory as their own servers. Really cool stuff. Now, what I want to do right now is to click here on this plus button, and it says create new site. There we go, and it will take us to the membership site wizard. Right here we are going to go with a membership name. So for instance, if we're going to build a dog trick website, dog tricks, beautiful, everything you need to know about dog training, dog tricks. Let's leave the primary currency on US dollars for now. This is the site slug. I'm currently on a developer side of things, but next week or this week we are going to set it up properly on the website itself, so it will read .memberfactory.com. Now the domain mapping happens in another step as well, and I will get to that later. Right now, here's the admin information. If you would like to add another admin on top of yourself right here, you can do that right here. And in another step, you can add some more admins as well. Now, for demonstration purposes, we are going to leave this one blank. Right now, this is the site settings. And we are going to enable the site, show all orders, and enable priority. Now this is where you can put in your conversion pixel as well. In example, if you're advertising your membership site on Facebook and you would like to track the conversion value, you put in your conversion pixel right here. Very easy stuff, and it will fire once they completed the payment and end up on the membership site. But now we are going to click on next, and this takes us to the second step, which is where we are going to enable the payment gateways. For this example, we are going to go with JVZoo. We currently have PayPal, Stripe, and a bunch of others as well. They're being added later this week. Let's click on next, which takes us to the plans, and I'm going to create 3 plans. I'm going to create a gold plan at 47 a month. Give it priority 1. Leave the billing frequency on each and every 30 days and let it go indefinitely. This is the return URL, so to which URL do you want them to send after they made a payment. Now for JVZoo this doesn't really matter, but if you were to use PayPal or Stripe and your membership site is on the front end and you still got an OTO, a first upsell, you want to specify that link or URL right here. But for now, for demonstration purposes, we're going to leave that one blank. Expire access after then a number of days. So for instance, if you do a 3-month or a 90-day mastermind and you give them a payment plan, you can simply put 90 days right here, and then the billing will stop after 90 days, and their access will also be revoked after 90 days. You got a trial option right here as well. So for this, let's do $1 for the first 7 days. And when this period is over, they will automatically be billed as well. And this takes us to the one and final step. We're gonna save it. There we go. And I'm gonna quickly follow the process for the silver membership as well for 37. Leave everything as is. Priority 2. There we go. Save it. And do a bronze level just for the heck of it. Priority 3. Trial now. There we go. Now we added all of our plans. And we want to get to the next step, and this is where we are going to review our site details, payment, gateways, plans, and I think everything is all set up properly. So right now I'm gonna click on the big blue button right there and finish the installation. Wait for a few seconds to have our software generate the website, and from there we are going to be forwarded, as you can see right here, to the dashboard. Now this is the dashboard of this current website, so let me just go back to apps right here and membership site. And this is the website I've just created. So if you were to go from the dashboard right here to your specific site, all you want to do is click on manage site right here, and this is where the page is for. This is where all the details are for this specific membership site. Alright, so obviously there's nothing going on right now because we didn't do anything yet, but this will make a bit more sense if I start adding some demo members. So let's do that right now. I'm gonna add a new member. There we go. I'm gonna call it Maria at gmail.com. It's not an admin. I want to notify the admin. I want to have Maria use the gold plan as well. Select a payment gateway, JVZoo, status active, name Maria Gonzalez. Sounds kind of cool, right? Okay, save. And then let's add Johnny as well. But Johnny didn't have too much to spend, so he's only at the bronze level. Let's go to JVZoo right there. Active. It's not an admin, but I want to notify the admin again. Johnny bye. Oh my god. Johnny 1, 2, 3. Okay. You get the point, right? So let's move back to the dashboard. I've added the members right here, and you can see okay, so you get the point, right? So what I want to show you right here, I've added the members right here. you can see that they made an order, didn't make a refund, and the monthly average is on 17 and 47, and this will increase or decrease depending on how long they will stay a member. Now obviously if you're going to get payments via Stripe, PayPal, JVZoo or any of the other platforms, this is all done automatically and people are being added to your backend obviously automatically. So what was the whole purpose right here of adding these two members? I want to show you the subscriptions as well. This is where we can see the subscriptions, bronze and gold. See the revenue, and the begin, expired, and the next billing date. Really cool stuff. So this is where you can see the lifetime customer value. For instance, if Johnny stays a member for 12 years, this amount will be significantly higher than it is now. And if Maria only stays on 1 month, this will stay at 47. Hope that makes sense. Let's move back to the dashboard right here. And this is where you can see that the stuff is now being tracked. And you can see 2 customers, 2 orders, revenue, and the forecast right here. Cool stuff, an entire breakdown, and even on a geographical level as well. Great to see the retention rate, customer lifetime value, and all of that good stuff you want to know. And basically, and now with that said, I want to go to the content area right here, and I'm gonna add some content. First I'm gonna create some categories. I call them module 1, which is available to gold, silver and bronze, and I want to enable it as well. There we go, save. I'm gonna add another category called module 2, which is only available for silver and gold. There we go. And then quickly create a module 3. There we go, which is only available for gold. Alright. Well, now we added 3 modules. That was very fast. Gonna add a page to each and every module right here. Let's say dog trick shots basic. Publish default. I always go with the full width layout, and I want to have the basic trick shots available for the module 1. Is also viewable by the bronze level. The author, you can add another author here if you would like as well. Do comments enable that or disable that? Is it free or do they have to pay for it to see the content? Obviously they paid, but if you make it free, then each and every person that has the link to the specific page of the content, they can basically see all the information for free. And you can even choose to drip feed it as well. Right now we're not going to do that. I'm gonna save it. We're gonna add another page and add that to let's call that Elite or Elite. Full width, module 3. You get the point, right? So let's save that. There we go. And now we got some content added as well. Now let's move back to the page right here, and let's do it with dog trick shots basic. on the edit button, obviously. And before I created this page, video, audio and attachments were grayed out. Right now I can use them. So if I want to protect a certain video, a certain audio file, or a zip file, ebook, or a PDF for that matter, then I would like to upload them here so that they are protected by this specific membership level you tie to this specific page. Yeah, I hope that makes sense. So this is where you can basically protect your content. Right now what is in development, available in the next month, is some callback system as well. So we are going to add that as well, so they can use it with plugins, selling plugins, as well as providing a cool training via that platform. Alright, that's it for the content really quick. Let's go to the comment section. Now this speaks for itself, I guess. If people are going to comment on your content, then you can moderate everything right here, approve it, decline it, and all that stuff. You can also auto approve everything and basically have an entire Q&A community going on that only needs some management every now and then. Alright, so this takes me to the most cool. And if we are going to hover over more, there's a bunch more. So we're not done yet. As you can see, I can scroll down right here. Now, site details, membership plans, payment gateways, that's all being covered. That's stuff we have all already covered in the wizard as well. Autoresponders, there we go. This is where you put in your web form code of your autoresponder, and on purchase, each and every member or paying member will be added to your autoresponder. Works with all autoresponders and works with HTML form code, so no weird stuff right there. Then under site management, you got static pages, and this is where you can basically create some more static pages, a welcome page, an about page, some more cool stuff like an upsell page, for example, as well. Really easy, really cool. Then site menus. What do you would like to show in the menus? Module 1, module 3. I think I selected the menu. Menu 1. Create menu. Add to menu. Come on. My Wi-Fi is slow today. There we go. So these are now added to the menu. It works a bit similar like WordPress for the posts as well. Pages. You can add them to a sidebar menu or a top menu as well. Really easy stuff. Let's not linger for too long. You got your email templates right here, so whenever a customer signs up, they will get the receipt and a welcome email. You got your forgot password email as well as they are being updated if there is a new comment on a post or a piece of content they are following, and as well if they made a new subscription as well. We're adding a bunch more email templates here as well. Now on the site designer thing and the checkout designer and power editor, let's skip that for now and let's go to that after doing this. This is the domain mapping part, and all you need to do is put your purchase domain right here and create a CNAME record with a destination URL and IP value as basically the link right here. Really easy stuff. We are going to have some training for this as well. Plus we got 24/7 support on this product. So if any of the users are running into trouble, there's more than enough material to go around and use this easily and fast. Right now I want to go to site templates, which works similar to checkout templates as well. Currently we got 12 templates. On launch we will have 25 premium templates. As you can see, it's called the Site Template Marketplace. On launch we are going to give 25 templates out for free. After launch it will be toned down to 10 free templates, and we are going to add 2 new templates each and every week, which will sell for $25 a pop. But your members will get 25 at the start, so that's really cool. For this website I want to install this theme, let it run for a bit right there. And as you can see, this software is just really big, and in order to get a full taste of this entire thing you really need to test it out yourself. It's really awesome. So what I've just done is select a new template right there. Now the same goes for checkout templates. You can choose different checkout templates right here as well. But what I want to do right here is go to the checkout designer, now the site designer. This is where you can basically move with some options right here. The top background color, and change that as well. Let's make that a bit reddish, pink rather. There we go. Let's put that on white. And this is where I can upload my logo as well. Currently I do not have a logo for this website, so let's leave that open. Now the same goes for the checkout designer, and this is where you can do the default settings. Now if you're a bit more of a advanced user and you want to screw around with the code, or you got a developer that can write some cool code as well, you can basically customize that site here as well. Really easy stuff. You can save the template as well, and yeah, you're basically only limited by your imagination. Now we're also having some plans to create some WYSIWYG editor inside this template as well, inside this software as well, but we'll have to wait a couple of months for that to come. Yeah, that's basically it, I guess, for now, and that's just a quick run through. And as you can imagine, and as you can see right now, it's just very big. So what I want to suggest to you is just to request your review copy. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned, I got a little message for you.
Now if that's not cool, I don't know what is. If you want a review copy, basically contact us via Skype, via Facebook. Our contact details are way below on this page. Be sure to join the JV notification list as well, and grab your links over at JV Zoo. Alright, that's it for right now.